endwara yo kujwa munongo mbakazi nemwe handwara esingiro yo kwita abakazi bahiza kuzara kandi kurugirira ahartebes ugwa Peruth Mbaze nashobora entansi hari handwara yo kujwa hamwe n'ekyejwiso ombakazi
okujwa omukazi yaheza kuzara n'ekintu mwene nico kyebembiro mu kwita abakyara mwene omurimo gwitu nk'abashaho no kurenga twayegesa abakyara bitu okugumana bija kukyebeza nomanya tuchebeza emirundi ena omumezi mwenda kunkati Minister of Health National Government chagire no kuchebeza emirundi 8 omukyara ashemeye kwija yahurire kya musaza
Dr. Liven Tebijuka omukugwo mukuzarisa nagira ngo mucyanga cya Ankore ururembo rwambarra ndwo rwasira umwanya gwo kubanza kugira abakazi habinendwara yo kujwa munonga bahiza kuzara.
So we are saying that as long as one is pregnant, we should be aware that they are likely, because after delivery they likely bleed. Some of them are likely to bleed more than the others. So the risk is for every pregnant woman. As long as they are pregnant, we want to look at them as a risk of what? Bleeding more than the rest. As much as there may be conditions that may put them at risk of bleeding more, those who have more than one, maybe more than 4 pregnancies, those ones who are carrying more than 2 babies, those that are carrying big babies may be at risk. But we want to say that since this disease does not discriminate, the bleeding after delivery does not discriminate between the young, those ones who are delivering for the first time, we are ensuring to send this message to everyone who is pregnant because they are at risk of bleeding, and this is claiming a lot of our mothers. And
waswa mugano wa Salongo omukugombi yo kuzarisa nagira ngo ndwara yo kujwa munonga omukazi yaheza kuzara omwana rero twa kushanga marwaro gatine byo kukozesa omukuzarisa nka gloves embazi amezi eshagama hamwe nebyo kwejonesa omwishemerezo
ebisingo kwetagisa olumuno bitabaawo bye tukozesa mu kuzalisa ebisingo kuba ntebiriyo bitero obuzibu omusayi olumugubawo ne kati gugenze gweyongera makaya dagala tukozesa ngolere dagala tuita oxytocin kakuba bakyala bamaze okuzala akitaga fridge mu marwayo tezirimu olumuna ebintu by'eminyine ebyokozesa mu kukyala kuzalisa biba tebiriyo gloves gozi kitala kubazalira obuveera kimala nti abakyala tuyo bugante mugende muguleyo ku gloves mugende muguleyo ku mpiso olumuna ebintu bino biba tebiriyo ninga
Judith Ankunda mukuru w'abazarisa irwara ryambara Regional Referral Hospital nagira ngo abakazi abo mbyara bari kuzarisa no bongere cyango ahambare gw'abakazi abari kujwa munonga baheza kuzara
abakwija akajati nabanza ngo mucyaro kutuyamba ha cyaro kuzara ubundi abamwe yinaba kubareba kare bakareba ngutaramu base ninga yatandika kujwa akaconnectinga n'abantu bakamureta umwirwaro kunka kandi yinaba nabo akenda ngo kintu cyona cyemarire akahendera umukazi amuremere azwire ningo bonda tiza kwikanisha gamiba yamuhire mushanga mutachine cyo gukora
abazarisa aba bagira ngo mukazo inenda aine kuba ari umuyonjo kandi ari kuryaje kandi aine nabyone ebyo kozesa yaheza kuzara
yabana ija kuzara kwa ine kwerebera nobo ine kuboryo muyonjo oyetererize utererizo buntu bwawe bwo mwana utereriza kagirita ko kusharira umwana wawe then orukurebuka ngo ine mama kit oina kavera iwe nko mukazi otebekanise ebyo kwebindisa wamara kuzara tushango mwe no mukazi kwa kwiko mwizaro yamara kuzara ndwara kuza kutugambira ngo tumuzinga zingire kitetege kiyabajwire
abakugu bangira bashobora byo mukazi ayine kora kwerinde ndwaregi
shagamero kwija hansi omukazi neringanire ningashi okuchebera nka pressure zawe na uko mutima goguru kutera kugira ngo mushaho wenshi mugambira karengo ryo nojo munonga ntwe hananjeriza abacyara kugira ngo nawe warebe kizubu cyone cyo wareba nko kujwa kwaye yongeramo no gambira umushaho kuri hininga no yoherezo mujanjabe wawe ayija tumanyisa utomucyaro guninde abapadi zaye yongeraho ningo kujwa kwaba kwinji kugira ngo mushaho akushikirije